Are you tired of dry, breaking natural hair? Today, I am showing you a powerful DIY leave-in conditioner made with flaxseed gel, shea butter, and growing boosting oils. This recipe is locking in moisture, strengthening your strands, and defending curls, and also promoting faster, healthy hair growth. What did you want again? Stay tuned and watch to the end, because this video, I know your head will thank you later. If you love natural hair growing remedy, protectable style, and DIY beauty, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn the notification bell. Your hair is about to get soft, shining, and strong growing, and also your hair will thank you later. So starting with our shea butter, I'm putting shea butter and coconut plus half teaspoon of emulsifying wax I'm adding inside. That one is optional, and also you can add maybe 1 teaspoon or quarter teaspoon. It depends of how you want your leave-in conditioner to look, whether you want it to be looking a little bit watering or you want it to be thick. That is the way that you have to think about to add your emulsifying beeswax, or you can skip that part. So that one I'm adding right now. I'm adding half teaspoon of it inside. So these oils I'm going to melt with those things. Half teaspoon I'm going to melt with the shea butter and the coconut oil. I'm going to melt everything together. So starting with those things, please stay tuned and watch to the end, because this leave-in conditioner, we are going to use it for 2 different ways. Also, before that, I will take some part of it to use it as a pre-poo for my hair. Okay, and now after melt everything, I'm adding my infusing oil. That one I did it by myself. If you want to see how to, or if you want to learn how to infuse your own boosting oil, take care of your hair, your scalp, please check my channel. So now the next oil that I'm adding is my vitamin E oil. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil inside. It's very important because vitamin E oil is repairing damaging hair and protecting your hair from dryness. So we are coming back. I will tell you guys every ingredients that I use for this, and I will tell you people the benefit. Also, I'm adding olive oil. Olive oil is also keeping your hair moisturizing and adding shining and regrowing your hair very fast. If you are looking for a way to grow your hair very fast, don't joke with olive oil. So now my next ingredient I'm adding is my flaxseed gel. Okay, this thing you can make it anew, or you can do it and divide it and keep inside your deep freezer. Anytime when you are about to use flaxseed, you need to do something about flaxseed gel. That time you know that you have already have a flaxseed gel, you can just remove it from your deep freezer, allow it to freeze small before you can use it. So I was trying to take 3 tablespoons. Flaxseed is not easy. It's not something easy thing like that. You can just take that 3 tablespoons. So it was a little bit tough for me to take the 3 tablespoons on it. But after finally, I got my 3 tablespoons of flaxseed gel. So now, after adding my flaxseed gel, the next oil that I'm adding is my cold pressed avocado oil. I made this oil by myself. Please, the time that they hacked my channel, I was make this oil and put it to our second channel. We create new channel. It's called Princess Hair Care. So please, if you want to see that video also, please, or you can also support us in that channel, because this channel was something that I was really scared. I was not thinking that I can get this channel back. By the grace of Almighty Allah, YouTube team, they did a big job. They support me to get my channel back. But our second channel also is working now. We need you guys support. So after add everything inside, now I'm mixing my ingredients. Okay, after add the ingredients, I start to mix it. Normally, this one to add the honey is also another optional. You can add honey or you can skip that part. I love my treatments all the time. When I'm doing treatment, I love to add honey, because honey is adding moisture to your hair and making your hair soft and easy to manage it, and also regrowing your hair. So that is why I love adding honey into my things. So now I'm adding my lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil also I'm adding inside. So these things, guys, stay tuned. You need to watch everything, how I will do it, and also the middle, how I will give you guys some, some benefits, something I'm going to give you people. Unless those who watch it that time, you will see what I'm going to show it to you people. So now I'm going to add Jasmine essential oil. It's also adding fragrance and also regrowing your hair, softening your scalp, and that is most important, because what we need is your scalp have to be healthy to improving growing your hair faster. So I'm adding Jasmine essential oil. These essential oils are very important, but I'm not telling you to use the same one. You can use any type of essential oil that you have. You can add it inside. So now, guys, as I put everything, mix everything together, I'm taking some small part of it. This one, I'm going to use it as a pre-poo for myself, because I'm going to open my hair. Those who are following me, you know that me, I don't show my hair. But if you want to see the treatment, what I'm doing, please check Princess Hair Care, because I'm always putting Princess video in that channel. You will see everything over there. So now, guys, the benefit or the bonus that I have for you guys is not part of this video, but I'm just giving you people bonus. Strawberry, I'm holding strawberry. That one you can add inside or you can skip it. And the next also, I'm holding ginger, ground ginger, and that's banana. The banana, you have to peel the banana. The inside of the peel, use knife or teaspoon like the one I'm holding. Scratch the inside and remove it and put inside. It's whitening your teeth. If you want natural way to white your teeth naturally, this thing is very, very powerful. It's just a bonus that I'm giving to those who watch this video to this point. Please, if you watch it to this point, comment in the comments below. Yes, I will try it and let you know how it goes. Strawberry, don't worry. If you have the strawberry, you can add it. If you don't have it, don't worry at all. That one there is just me love strawberry fragrance. That's why I added that one inside. But the most important was to use, you can only use banana peel inside and baking soda plus the ginger. The strawberry also, you can make it in a different apart, but I combine everything inside because I love both fragrance to be inside my whitening teeth treatment. So guys, after that, I'm adding a little bit of salt inside. Salt also is also helping the gum for your mouth. The gum, if your mouth have some scent or someone talking, there's some people that if they are talking, you can hear some bad scent from their mouth. This treatment is very good. It will make your mouth refreshing, and at the same time your teeth is going to be whitened naturally without spending them to the dentist. Okay, just use your $5 is going to, or 5 naira or 5 series, wherever what type of money that you are using, buy your ingredients and do it. €5 is going to be okay for you to get these ingredients to whiten your teeth naturally, to refresh your mouth without smelling, without people talking about your mouth, the smelling of your mouth. So this is the way that you have to mix everything, get it mixed very well. But this thing, it doesn't stay up to 1 week. When you make it at least 3 to 4 days, please throw it away. Whether you finish it or not, throw it away and make new one. And it's good at least 4 times, 3 to 4 times in a week is okay. That is why you have to make it a small amount so that you can use it 4 times in a week, and the rest you can throw away. The following week you make new one again. So this one is not part of our business or our job, but I'm just giving you people bonus. Okay, this one is just a bonus. So now let's continue mixing our leave-in conditioner. So now you can see, guys, I'm whipping my leave-in conditioner also. So this thing, if you wanted to keep it up to 6 months or more than that, then you have to add preservative inside, or if not, at least by 14 days, 2 weeks. If you keep it for 2 weeks, please, if you know that you haven't finished it, even you have to throw away, because this thing is contain water. Because of that, that's why I'm adding my preservative, because I don't want to throw it away while I did not finish using it. So if you don't have preservative, then 14 days you have to throw away and make new batch again. So let's quickly check and see flaxseed gel, the benefit. Flaxseed is full packed with omega-3 fatty acids. It's also reducing shedding and promoting hair growth, while shea butter also soften hair and sealing moisture, repelling damaging hair. And coconut oil also is also penetrating deep into the hair and shaft, strengthening your hair very nicely, and also making your hair giving it more soft, adding more soft to your hair. You can see how light and soft it is. That is how you need. I want my leave-in conditioner to be, because it's absorbing into my scalp. This normally you can just use leave-in conditioner for your hair without using the scalp into your scalp, but this, because is not going to weigh in your scalp, so it's good. You can use it for your scalp also. There's no any problem. You will see, guys, I'll show it to you guys how it's going to be looking when immediately when you put inside your hand. Everything is absorbing, it's melting, everything is just melting. It's very nice. So let's continue. I added avocado corporate oil also inside. It's also protecting hair breaking, and olive oil is also improving shining and protecting hair strands, your hair strands. So now that is how our leave-in conditioner. And honey also is adding moisture to your hair and also protecting your hair breaking. You see how it's looking, guys? You see how this thing is looking. While lavender essential oil also is stimulating follicles, and jasmine oil is nourishing, smoothing the scalp, and vitamin E oil is repelling damaging hair and preventing dryness. See how soft and shiny it is. Please like and comment and share for me. Comment if you love natural hair. Let me know if you are going to try it. Say yes, I'll try it. Or if you watch it to this point, may Allah bless you all. And also try the teeth whitening teeth also. Don't forget, that one is just a bonus I give you guys. Try it and let me know how it goes. Support me to grow this channel. This our channel, they hack it before, but by the grace of Almighty Allah, YouTube team, they did a big job and helped me to recover, get my channel back. I'm so happy. I know it's not going well and people even hacking it again. Our second channel also is there. It's called Princess Hair Care. If you want to be seeing princess hair, how princess hair is going, please subscribe to that channel and follow us in that place, okay? Because this place, mostly, maybe I may not be posting princess things here again. So these are the essential oils that are jasmine and lavender plus my preservative. Bye bye.